friends, today we are cooking dum aloo. For dum aloo we have taken small potatoes. So now we will be using the fork to poke the potatoes. So we have to fork them from all the sides. So after forking the potatoes, we need to put them in the salted water, and we have to keep them in this salted water for at least half an hour so that the potatoes absorb the salt. So it's been half an hour since we have soaked our potatoes in the salted water. Now we have to wash them thoroughly and dry them. Potatoes have been dried for preparing the dum aloo. For shallow frying the potatoes, we have heated oil in a pan. Now we are putting half a teaspoon of turmeric powder in the oil. Adding the turmeric powder gives a nice color to the dum aloos. Now we will be adding our potatoes one by one. Stir them well so that all the potatoes are coated with oil. Keep the flame on medium. Now all the potatoes are coated with oil. So we will close the lid. After 5 minutes we will check the lid. We have to stir them every 5 minutes until they are soft and tender from the inside and brown from the outside. So now our potatoes have been cooked, and we can take out the potatoes from the pan in a bowl, and now we will prepare the gravy for dum aloo in the same pan. You can see that now our potatoes have become soft and crisp. Now we'll be preparing the masala for dum aloo. To fry dum aloo, we will be needing chopped garlic, grated ginger, chopped onion, kasuri methi, tomato paste. You can also take tomato puree, or if you don't like tomato puree or tomato paste, you can take around 4 to 5 big size tomatoes. For frying, we will be taking some bay leaves, some whole black pepper, some cloves, some cinnamon sticks, and green cardamom. We will be heating the oil in the same pan in which we have shallow fried our dum aloo or potatoes, and in the same pan, if oil is remaining, you can use the same oil, and if it is not there, then you can add some little bit of more oil. And now add some istafetida, 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds, one teaspoon of mustard seeds, stir it well. Now add cinnamon sticks, black pepper and cloves, green cardamom, while you are putting the green cardamom, open it and then put it. Stir it well. Now put the bay leaves. Now add garlic. Add ginger and stir it well. Roast the ginger and garlic till they become brown. 2 whole red chilies. Now our garlic and ginger are roasted. Now we'll be adding the chopped onions. Also add a green chili or 2 as per your taste. Stir it well. Add some salt for the onions. Salt will help the onions to soften translucent. We have to roast the onions until they become soft and translucent. Now add the tomato paste or tomato puree. After adding the tomato puree or tomato paste or tomatoes, add some water so that the tomatoes and onions don't stick on the bottom of the pan. Now mix the tomato puree well in the masala. Tomato puree and tomato paste gives a nice color to the recipe. Now add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of red chili powder, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, salt as per your taste. We have only added the salt when we soak the potatoes, so you can add the salt for the potatoes as well here. Stir it well. Stir it so that all the masalas are roasted well. Add a little bit more water if it is too thick and it can stick to the pan. Give it a good stir. Keep the flame on medium. We need to cook it until the oil starts separating from the masalas. Add the dry kasuri methi leaves or fenugreek leaves. Now add a 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, which is a brand of Indian spices. 2 teaspoons of cumin powder. Mix it well. Keep the flame on low and simmer it for at least 5 to 10 more minutes. Now after 5 minutes, we will add the potatoes which we have shallow fried. So if you add the potatoes with the masala, then the spices blends well with the potatoes. Stir it well and cook it for 5 more minutes. Now add some green peas. Green peas gives a nice taste to this recipe. After adding the green peas, add 2 cups of milk. It gives a rich texture and taste to this recipe. After adding milk, stir it well. Bring it to a boil. Add about 1 cup of water. If you want thick gravy for the dum aloo, you don't need to add the water. If you want some liquid gravy, then add some more water. Now keep it on a low flame and simmer it for 10 to 15 minutes until all the spices and milk, everything blends well with potatoes and green peas. Now close the lid and simmer on low flame for 10 to 15 minutes. Now it's been 15 minutes since our dum aloo is boiling. So all the masalas are blended well into the dum aloo. Now you can top it with some grated paneer. Mix it well. Cook it for 5 more minutes. Then our dum aloo will be ready to serve. Now 5 minutes are over. Now we can serve our dum aloo in a bowl. And you can top it with some grated paneer, some cilantro leaves. And now you can serve your dum aloo. So our restaurant style dum aloo are ready and they really look delicious and yummy. You can enjoy these dum aloo with your favorite naan, roti, paratha or rice. And let us know if you like our recipe.